Welcome to Arts and Props with GL. I'm Gail.
I'm Luba.
And we're here to show you how to make Nightmare Before Christmas ornaments. Aren't they gorgeous? Isn't this awesome? And all you need is material and Mod Podge and a couple other materials to pull this off. And you can do this with other materials as well.
Very cutesy.
Yeah.
Adorable.
And just to show you that it doesn't have to be the Nightmare Before Christmas ornament. Cotton and cotton knit work well for this. This is a cotton knit, and this material right here is a cotton. So I tried it with both so that you can see they both work with this pattern. The materials to make this Nightmare Before Christmas ornament are the material that you're going to use to cut out. This is a cotton knit. You could use a cotton material as well. One day I'll try the fleece and see if that works. An ornament, so it's the disc ornament, that's 4 inches. Ribbon, you might want to use a 1/2 inch or a 1/4 inch depending on how precise you want to be. A cutting board like this from the Dollar Tree. It comes in a pack of 2. You can use this to make a template, or you can make a template on a piece of copy paper or tracing paper. A compass, so we can cut out a circle. A sponge brush, so we can use that with a Mod Podge to go ahead and glue it on. Scissors, so we can cut out our design. And I don't know if I said a marker, but we need a marker to trace out our design on material. And a glue gun and glue sticks.
Start by using the flexible chopping mat from the Dollar Tree and cut it into a 7-inch square. Next, use a ruler to set the compass to 2.5 inches so you can make a 5-inch circle. Next, use an X-acto knife or a box cutter to cut out the design. It might be easier to make several passes with the knife first before attempting to cut all the way through. Use the template to trace your design with a marker. Use scissors to cut out the circle.
Take the cap off and see how it places on here. See, it goes to the sides, down at the bottom, and we will apply a little bit of Mod Podge by using our sponge brush. Place a little bit on here.
Once the front is covered with Mod Podge, go ahead and put the material on top, and then you're going to cover the material with Mod Podge too. Smooth out any bumps along the way and stretch everything to the side so you know it's going to overlap with the material on the back side. If you have excess material on one side, you can trim it as you go along.
Now we're just gonna let it stay upward like this and let it dry. While that's drying, let's cut out another piece. You might want to get a bow or something like this and paint it. Going back to our ornament before it dries, I can see that this is coming up a little bit, so I'm just going to touch up a little bit there so that it dries more evenly.
Once the front of the ornament's dry, you can repeat the same process on the back side using the second piece of material.
And the next part is to glue on the ribbon.
Start the ribbon at the top and glue around over the seams so that you cannot see them. Once I'm done gluing ribbon around the edges, I put on the cap and I'm gluing ribbon around the cap as well. Lastly, I'm gluing on the ribbon. It's time to see what it looks like on the tree.
This is the way the Nightmare Before Christmas ornament and the dog ornament look on the tree. Please subscribe. We'd love to make more. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.